वो दरवाजा खोलेगा। He will open the door. He will open the door. मैं गाड़ी चलाता आ रहा हूँ। I have been driving. I have been driving. वो मैच हार चुके थे। They had lost the match. They had lost the match. वो जूस पीती है। She drinks juice. She drinks juice. हम कमरा साफ कर रहे होंगे। We will be cleaning the room. We will be cleaning the room. मेरा कप टूट गया। I broke my cup. I broke my cup. पानी उबल रहा है। The water is boiling. The water is boiling. वो काम करते आ रहे थे। They had been working. They had been working. वो अपने हाथ धो चुका होगा। He will have washed his hands. He will have washed his hands. उसने मैसेज भेज दिया है। She has sent the message. She has sent the message. हमें संगीत पसंद है। We love music. We love music. मैं तुम्हें फोन कर रहा था। I was calling you. I was calling you. वो तेज दौड़ेंगे। They will run fast. They will run fast. वो आराम करता आ रहा है। He has been resting. He has been resting. उसने खाना बना लिया था। She had cooked food. She had cooked food. जल्द ही अंधेरा हो जाएगा। It will be dark soon. It will be dark soon. हमने एक घर बनाया है। We have built a house. We have built a house. मैं पानी पी रहा हूँ। I am drinking water. I am drinking water. घंटी बजी। The bell rang. The bell rang. वो बैग पैक कर रहे होंगे। They will be packing bags. They will be packing bags. वो खांसता आ रहा था। He had been coughing. He had been coughing. वो पत्र या लेटर लिख चुकी होगी। She will have written a letter. She will have written a letter. हम यहाँ रहते हैं। We live here. We live here. मुझे अपनी चाबियाँ मिल गई है। I have found my keys. I have found my keys. वो कार ठीक कर रहे थे। They were fixing the car. They were fixing the car. बर्फबारी होती आ रही है। It has been snowing. It has been snowing. उसने अपनी बाइक बेच दी। He sold his bike. He sold his bike. वो गेट पर इंतजार कर रही होगी। She will be waiting at the gate. She will be waiting at the gate. हमने डॉक्टर को दिखा लिया था। We had seen the doctor. We had seen the doctor. मैं रोज फल खरीदता हूँ। I buy fruits daily. I buy fruits daily. वो चाय बना रहे हैं। They are making tea. They are making tea. वो ब्रेड लाएगा। He will bring bread. He will bring bread. वो पेंटिंग करती आ रही है। She has been painting. She has been painting. हम पता भूल गए। We forgot the address. We forgot the address. मैं पैसे दे चुका हूँगा। I will have paid the money. I will have paid the money. वो बहस करते आ रहे थे। They had been arguing. They had been arguing. बिजली चली गई। The light went out. The light went out. वो अपनी कार धो रहा है। He is washing his car. He is washing his car. उसने अपनी दुकान बंद कर दी थी। She had closed her shop. She had closed her shop. हम शतरंज खेल रहे होंगे। We will be playing chess. We will be playing chess. मैंने अपना होमवर्क पूरा कर लिया है। I have completed my homework. I have completed my homework. वो तमिल बोलते हैं। They speak Tamil. They speak Tamil. देर हो रही थी। It was getting late. It was getting late. वो खिड़की बंद कर देगा। He will close the window. He will close the window. वो बागवानी करती आ रही है। She has been gardening. She has been gardening. हम जल्दी निकल गए थे। We had left early. We had left early. मैं अपने दोस्त से मिलूंगा। I will meet my friend. I will meet my friend. वो पेड़ काट रहे हैं। They are cutting trees. They are cutting trees. उसका फोन खो गया। He lost his phone. He lost his phone. वो फर्श साफ कर चुकी होगी। She will have cleaned the floor. She will have cleaned the floor. हम आपकी बात सुनते आ रहे हैं। We have been listening to you. We have been listening to you. मैंने सवाल का जवाब दिया। I answered the question. I answered the question. वो नाचते आ रहे थे। They had been dancing. They had been dancing. उसे आइसक्रीम पसंद है। He likes ice cream. He likes ice cream. वो मेज पोंछ रही थी। She was wiping the table. She was wiping the table. हम यात्रा कर रहे होंगे। We will be traveling. We will be traveling. मैंने दरवाजा बंद कर दिया है। I have locked the door. I have locked the door. वो एक घर खरीदेंगे। They will buy a house. They will buy a house. भारी बारिश हुई थी। It had rained heavily. It had rained heavily. उसने घड़ी पहनी हुई है। He is wearing a watch. He is wearing a watch. वो बैंक में काम करती है। She works in a bank. She works in a bank. हम यहाँ बैठते आ रहे हैं। We have been sitting here. We have been sitting here. मैं ईमेल भेज चुका हूँगा। I will have sent the email. I will have sent the email. उन्होंने मैच देखा। They watched the match. They watched the match. वो मैसेज टाइप करता आ रहा था। He had been typing a message. He had been typing a message. वो कपड़े सिलेगी। She will stitch the clothes. She will stitch the clothes. हम बस का इंतजार कर रहे हैं। We are waiting for the bus. We are waiting for the bus. मैंने तुम्हारा पेन ले लिया था। I had taken your pen. I had taken your pen. उन्होंने इनाम जीता है। They have won the prize. They have won the prize. कुत्ता रात में भौंकता है। The dog barks at night. The dog barks at night. वो सीढ़ियाँ चढ़ रहा था। He was climbing the stairs. He was climbing the stairs. वो प्याज भून रही होगी। She will be frying onions. She will be frying onions. हमने फूल उगाए हैं। We have grown flowers. We have grown flowers. मैं मंदिर गया था। I visited the temple. I visited the temple. वो मुंबई पहुंच चुके होंगे। They will have reached Mumbai. They will have reached Mumbai. ये लीक होता आ रहा है। It has been leaking. It has been leaking. उसने कार रोक दी थी। He had stopped the car. He had stopped the car. वो देर से उठती है। She wakes up late. She wakes up late. हम चाय पी रहे हैं। We are drinking tea. We are drinking tea. मैं अपने कपड़े बदल लूंगा। I will change my clothes. I will change my clothes. वो चुटकुलों पर हंस रहे थे। They were laughing at jokes. They were laughing at jokes. वो अंग्रेजी पढ़ता आ रहा था। He had been studying English. He had been studying English. वो रात का खाना बना रही होगी। She will be fixing dinner. She will be fixing dinner. हमने सब्जियां खरीदी। We bought vegetables. We bought vegetables. मैंने बिजली का बिल भर दिया है। I have paid the electricity bill. I have paid the electricity bill. वो अखबार पढ़ते हैं। They read newspapers. They read newspapers. आज रात बारिश होगी। It will rain tonight. It will rain tonight. वो अपने मोजे ढूंढ रहा है। He is searching for his socks. He is searching for his socks. उसने अपनी अंगूठी गलत जगह रख दी थी। She had misplaced her ring. She had misplaced her ring. हम अपना दोपहर का खाना पैक कर चुके होंगे। We will have packed our lunch. We will have packed our lunch. मैं शब्दकोश सीखता आ रहा हूँ। I have been learning vocabularies. I have been learning vocabularies. उन्होंने कांच तोड़ दिया। They broke the glass. They broke the glass. वो घंटों से सोता आ रहा था। He had been sleeping for hours. He had been sleeping for hours. उसे मिठाइयाँ पसंद है। She loves sweets. She loves sweets. हम कमरे में झाड़ू लगा रहे थे। We were sweeping the room. We were sweeping the room. मैं ट्रेन में चढ़ रहा होऊंगा। I will be boarding the train. I will be boarding the train. उन्होंने रसोई साफ कर दी है। They have cleaned the kitchen. They have cleaned the kitchen. वो एक लैपटॉप खरीदेगा। He will buy a laptop. He will buy a laptop. उसने शर्ट इस्त्री या प्रेस कर दी थी। She had ironed the shirt. She had ironed the shirt. बच्चा घुटनों के बल चल रहा है। The baby is crawling. The baby is crawling.